My name, I'm called Idambi Paul. I'm an advocate of the High Court. Actually, we received instructions from Honorable Beatrice Anywar to look into the elections that took place in 2026, January 15th. And after that instruction, now we have been compelled to comply and file an election petition challenging the outcome of the results of 2026 general elections, parliamentary elections for Kitgum municipality. The petitioner, who is Honorable Beatrice Anywar, is dissatisfied with the outcome, and that's why we are in High Court here. We are basically challenging this outcome of the elections on basically three grounds. One, we feel that the Electoral Commission did not comply with the electoral laws when they conducted the elections. We are faulting them on that. Then the candidate himself, we are also faulting him for the illegalities that we've put in the petition, and various affidavit swearers have already been put on record. When this hearing begins, they will be actually coming to court to testify. Then we are also condemning the registrar of Kitgum district, who actually prepared this electoral process. We are suing her as a person because the law allows that if she does something contrary to the electoral laws, definitely she has to be brought to court as a person. Though she is an employee of the Electoral Commission, but in her own conduct of the elections, that's how we've brought her here in Kitgum as a person. After we've filed our election petition, we have to serve the respondents. One, the Electoral Commission. Two, the returning officer. And then court will give us the days when to appear and then hear this election. We should be having scheduling, and then the law allows 30 days. This election petition must be disposed of. So we are waiting for the court's guidance. But we as lawyers, our duty ends here. We filed an election petition, then we wait for court to summon us back here. Then the respondents have to file their response, whether they are opposed to this. If they don't file, then court will go with what we are praying for. In our prayers here, basically we are praying for annulment of this election, and we are calling for a fresh elections so that the people of Kitgum municipality are not disenfranchised. They need to know actually, because Honorable Petitioner is not actually petitioning because she wants to be a member of parliament. No, she wants a free and fair process, regardless of who comes out as a winner. But she's not interested in being so much of a member of parliament. No, her role as a citizen of Uganda, the law mandates that the Electoral Commission should organize a free and fair elections. But for her, she says no, what really transpired on 15th of January 2026 was not what the law mandates the Electoral Commission to do. So she's challenging all the parties.